Okay, so we have the MCT oil. That's the sports research stuff. Basically, I just take the tablespoon and I measure out 1 tablespoon and I put it right into my immersion blender cup because it's just turns out to be the perfect size. Then I use the Organic Valley cultured butter, unsalted. It's fine. There's better stuff. You can get Kerrygold, but it's a lot more expensive. So 2 tablespoons of this. For me, you might want to do maybe 1 tablespoon depending on if you're counting calories at all. If not, then do 2, because the more fat you put in it, the longer it's going to last as far as energy for you in the morning. Like, I don't even get hungry unless I go to the gym. I don't get hungry until like 1, 2 o'clock, and even then it's not like I'm dying. I can manage it. And then, because I'm still sort of a pussy, I put a little bit of the coffee creamer in. It's just a splash, so maybe half a tablespoon. You're talking 2 grams of carbs, so you got to decide if you want to spend carbs there if you're watching that sort of thing. If you do, then you can substitute for like heavy whipping cream. I did that this morning. It was still really good. Not as good, but still really good. And then I have to get the Keurig thing going, so I'll start the video again in a sec. Okay, here's part 2. I use a refillable Keurig thing. I really recommend it, honestly, because you can get a lot better coffee, and it's worked out pretty cheaply for me, and the coffee tastes a lot stronger, so if you're into that sort of thing, it's pretty good. I don't remember what Keurig you guys have. I go strong, and then I up it to 10 ounces, and then here's the mix I made. Put the butter in first, otherwise you'll splash fucking MCT oil everywhere, and that stuff's expensive, so I learned that the hard way. So then I just put that in there, brew it, and then I do use an immersion blender. You probably have one. You literally only need about 3 seconds for it. As soon as it's done, you just put it in there and blend it up. I'll show you that in a sec. Okay, it's almost done blending. You can see it kind of already blends up in there, so that's why I like to do it first. You can put it in afterwards, but it's just a pain in the ass. If you do it first, it's just ready to go. And then, as soon as it stops, or even starts turning white, I guess, because I don't really like weak-ass coffee. Okay, it's almost done brewing. You can see how it kind of melted in there. That just makes it nice to blend. It takes literally 2 seconds instead of you having to put it in afterwards and wait a minute and stuff. So you just take the immersion blender and and those big Starbucks cups are perfect because they'll hold the additional size of the butter and the oil, and you just pour it in there, and that's it. Looks just like normal coffee, and it tastes effing amazing. So try it out.